So here we are with another method of solving quadratic equation, and that particular method is formula method, or we have to find the formula for solving quadratic equation. Now what is the standard form of a quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. By solving this particular example by completing square method, which you people have already studied, what we have x as values of x as there are two values. First value minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are two values of x. You have to remember these formulae for solving quadratic equation by formula method. These values are also called values of x. These values are also called as alpha and beta respectively. Alpha is nothing but this value minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we'll turn towards exercise number 2.4, which is based on formula method. Now the first example is compare the following with standard or general form of a quadratic equation, and then write the values of a, b and c. See first example, x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. So comparing this particular example with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 1, here a 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. We have to write the values of a, b and c only. Now let us move towards example number 2. Here is that example number 2. Now see the example number 2. It is 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. Shift 5m as well as minus 5 to this side. We have 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. Compare. So after comparison with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, what we have, a is equal to, value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 5. Let us start with example number 3. So here is the example number 3. So here we are. Example number 3 is y square is equal to 7y. Shift 7y to this side. So you have y square minus 7y. As there is no constant term, I have purposely written plus 0 is equal to 0. So comparing it with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have the values are a as 1, b minus 7 and the constant term which is equal to c is equal to 0. Now from this particular exercise we move towards main example number 2, and it is solve using formula. First example is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you have a as 1, b 6 and c is equal to 5. So before solving quadratic equation by formula method, first of all write the value of b square minus 4ac. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. It will be, what is the value of b? 6. It will be 6 square minus 4 into a means 1 into c as 5. Simplify. Square of 6 is 36 and 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So it will be 36 minus 20. 36 minus 20, it is 16. 16 is greater than 0. You have to write whether b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. The reason behind it, we have to study it in next exercise. Therefore, by formula method, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So by substitution, by substituting the values, you have x is equal to minus value of b as 6 plus under root of b square minus 4ac. Already we have b square minus 4ac as 16. So it will be under root of 16 upon 2 into 1, value of a as 1. Similarly, x is equal to minus 6 minus under root 16 upon 2 into 1. Now minus 6 as it is, under root 16, taking square root of 16, it will be 4. Similarly here, square root of 16 as 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 will give us minus 2. Minus 2 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Here we have minus 6 minus 4 as minus 10 upon 2. Minus 10 upon 2. That means 5. So, minus 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 5. These are the values of x by formula. So here is example number 2. We have to solve it once again by formula method. The example is x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So after comparison with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. Therefore, first of all find value of b square minus 4ac. It will be minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into c as 2. Square of minus 3 will be 9 and this will be 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 8. 9 minus 8, it is equal to 1. Once again 1 is greater than 0. Therefore, by formula method, we have x is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. By substitution, it will be minus of value of b is minus 3, so it will be minus of minus 3 plus under root of b square minus 4ac is 1. Similarly, here also minus of minus 3 value of b minus under root of b square minus 4ac as 1 upon 2a. So it will be 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1 here also. Minus of minus 3 will give us plus 3 plus under root 1 means 1. Similarly here, minus of minus 3 is equal to 3 under root of 1 as 1, but it is minus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So it will be 4 upon 2. Here 3 minus 1 as 2. So it will be 2 upon 2. 4 upon 2, that means 2, and 2 upon 2 means 1. Therefore x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. These are the values of x by formula method, or these are the solutions of given equation by formula method. Here is example number 3. Example number 3 is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. So after proper comparison with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you have a as 3, b as 2 and c as minus 7. So first of all find b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is, value of b is 2, so it will be 2 square minus 4 into a is 3 and value of c is minus 7. 2 square is 4, minus of minus will be plus, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. 4 plus 84 is equal to 88. 88 is once again greater than. Therefore, by formula method, these are the formula. X is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let us substitute the values. Minus value of b is 2 plus under root of b square minus 4ac is 88. Here also b minus b means minus 2 minus under root of b square minus 4ac, value of b square minus 4ac is 88 upon 2a, 2 into a, 2 into 3. Here also 2a, so it will be 2 into 3 minus 2. I have written 88 as 4 into 22 because 4 is a perfect square. Similarly, here also 88 I have written as 4 into 22. Taking square root of 4, it will be 2. So minus 2 plus 2 times under root of 22 upon 6. Here also minus 2 minus under root 4 as 2 into under root of 22 upon 6. Now in the numerator, 2 is common between those two terms. Similarly, here also in the numerator, 2 is common between these two terms. So taking 2 common, what remain in the bracket after taking 2 common? Here only 1 will remain, minus 1. Plus taking 2 common, here under root 22 will only remain, divided by 6. Similarly, here also taking 2 common, after taking 2 common, here minus 1 remains and here minus under root 22 will remain, divided by 6. Divide 6 by 2, so it will be 2 1s are 2 3s are. In the denominator you have 3, so here it will be minus 1 plus under root 22 upon 3 and here it is minus 1 minus under root 22 upon 3.